Hi icons, did you watch the last video about 10 most common abbreviations in your daily life? If not, I will provide the link in this description, so go and check it out. And this is the part 2 of 10 most common abbreviations in your daily life. So let's start. By the way, I will ask you one question at the end of the video, so be ready for that. First one is TTYL, talk to you later. Second one is HBD, Happy Birthday. Third one is HRU, how are you? Fourth one is BTW, by the way. Fifth one is IDK, I don't know. Sixth one is IDC, I don't care. Seventh one is PPL, People. Eighth one is KYC, it is very common in bank. What is the full form of KYC? Know your customer. Ninth one is LMK. It is very common, we use it frequently. What is the full form of LMK? Let me know. And the last one is BBQ. Do you have any idea what the full form of BBQ is? Barbecue. Barbecue. Got it? And now it's a quiz time. So, could you please tell me what the full form of TQ? Please let me know in the comment section. Please LMK in the comment section. I would love to see this. And if this video is helpful for you, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to upload a lot of helpful videos. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel iconicindra. See you very soon. Till then, enjoy English learning.